This is a very quick. This is a door storage capacity and freezer compartment capacity check on the new refrigerator. As you can see in there, we've already placed some things on the integral wine rack. This is a Garangi HZD i2-626. It's nice, you know, it is nice. As previously mentioned, we have the integral wine rack here. Also good for storing bottled waters. Not too good with the 5-litre bottles. A little bit of a disappointment. However, as you can see here, we have plenty of adjustment on the shelves, which is quite nice. You may have seen the unboxing video for this. One thing we noted was the inclusion of egg trays. As of yet, not being able to fully populate those just yet. One thing that I do find quite useful is the little flange just here for preventing door rattle. We'll just give that a go now. So I've been to a local supermarket and purchased 2.272 litres of semi-skim milk. Now, I was a little bit of a concern. This is the first time I've tried this, but as you can see, that is incredibly snug. Let's just try that again. So we'll go one more time. Yep, the little flange is springing back to action quite nicely. We'll try a little bit closer because as you can see it tapers off. So we'll go with this end. Very nice. So let's just see what we've got in the way of door rattle. That's incredible. That is incredible. So we wanted to start off light with the freezer. So what I've done is I've purchased some Mars ice creams here. I'll just place these in front of the salad crisper. These have been out of the freezer for a short period of time. They're a little soft. So what we're going to do is we're going to place, we'll use this one as our control. We'll place this in the freezer outside of the box. We then have one inside the box, another one inside there. So as you can see, plenty of storage. That's nice and cold. That's nice and cold. What we're going to do is we're going to place these in the top drawer, because obviously, see, that is another slight concern. The door does the drawer, sorry, does tend to lurch forward slightly. Could use better runners. Just see if we can get in there and have a look. I don't think you can see those, but it is important that the placement of these items. So what we'll do is we'll leave those in there for a short period of time, and we want to see if they have frozen solid. Now the time is approximately 8:51. Just coming up to 8:52. So what we'll do, we'll close this. We're on setting 4. As you can see here, we're also using the air power cooling system. There's a little rocker switch here that is set in the left hand position, which activates this little unit. Now when the door's closed, this little air power unit does kick in as and when it's required. As mentioned, you see here on setting 4. We'll see how this goes. We'll see how this goes. But so far, I'm quite impressed.